welcome to Coffee and a Vlog. Today I thought we'd do something a little bit different and make some slime with my boys. So they're gonna go over the ingredients and we're going to, I don't know, they're gonna go over the ingredients, so.
Okay, and we got this.
And this is food coloring, some green food coloring.
And we got this.
And this is glitter.
And this.
And this is BioTrue multi-purpose solution.
And this glue.
Yep, washable, no-run school glue.
So what we're gonna do is, since St. Patty's Day is coming up very soon, this is gonna be St. Patrick's Day slime.
And we got to go to have these for we get slime, and I like these. And they stick in your fingers and they won't come off.
These are slime balls. Add the balls to slime for a fun texture. Yep.
Let me see. Show everybody. Slime balls.
This is what it looks like.
Yep.
I want to get it.
Right, you can get that off. Okay, how to make slime. We need 4 ounces of white craft glue. This isn't white craft glue.
It's white glue, it's good enough.
Okay. 3 teaspoons of water.
Well, first you gotta do the glue. So you gotta get the, what is it, 4 what?
4 ounces of white craft glue.
4 ounces, so we gotta get 4 ounces. Which you could just pour it in. Just pour
You
it in.
get that.
No, not all of it.
You
Just
get
pour in a
that
good
and
amount.
I get this.
Tell me when to stop.
Oh wow, that is glue.
How many ounces of glue is that?
4.
In the bottle.
I don't know.
You gotta look at it.
Oh, I did.
7.
7? Okay, so about a little less
Oh,
than
I
half.
got it off.
Pour in a little more. We'll just go for it.
Wait, this is
That's good.
more than half.
All right, so now you're gonna cover it up. And then what's next?
Now we need 3 teaspoons of water.
3 tablespoons of water.
That's like half.
And that means it's going to cook like
1.
3 hours.
Half.
Okay.
2. Half. 3.
Okay. Now we
3
have to do
ounces
this.
of water.
Okay.
Okay, wait, let me read the instructions first. So how much?
We're not doing starch, we're doing contact solution.
So like,
Put some in and then we'll try to knead it and see.
oh, this is like 4.
You could just pour it in, like just squirt it in, I think.
Okay.
And then wait, okay, take your spoon and kind of like stir it up a little.
Oh, this is gonna be some good soup. A+. Chicken noodle.
Okay, pour a little more.
Smells like,
Never sniff glue.
it smells like glue and 3 teaspoons of water.
Put your
and
hands in there. Let's see. Put your hands in it. It's supposed to be slime.
Nope.
All right, stir that in.
Well, no.
It's all on the edges. You put on all on the edges. Let me pour a little more.
Jeez, a little more?
Oh, I think something's happening here a little bit.
This is too sticky.
Good, that's how it's supposed to be, a slime.
No, it's not that.
All right, now you can use your hands. You don't need the spoon no more. Now you can, it's slime. Get your fingers in there. It's slime.
I want to do it.
Okay, touch it.
Oh, sticky. Get off of me. I told
Pick
you.
it up and like squish it around your hands. You gotta move it around.
Mommy, you get it off of me.
Can I use both hands?
Hold on, yeah.
Get it off of me.
Hold on.
Ugh.
I think we might need some more. Put it down in there.
Jeez.
Okay.
These are weeds.
They're good.
These are weeds.
Jeez Louise.
Well.
Pull it apart. Pull it apart. Let's put it. Okay, so as you guys saw, that one was a
Let's keep it
fail.
on.
That was the first time trying slime. So let's see. So let's see if we can do this again. And I'm gonna go
And
by.
next time we're gonna make blue slime.
Yeah, well it's green now, but next time maybe blue.
I wanna do it.
I got it.
Hold on, let your brother do it.
I do the
No, but I got
spoon. I can't do the spoon. I do the spoon.
You're gonna do the glitter and the.
Okay, so I think it's
Keep going. Nope.
yeah, it's good.
No, you need half cup, which is like the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is 1/2 cup. If we mess up one more time, we're not gonna be able to do this again.
Okay, that's good. All right, you're gonna do that in. Put that in there. All of it. All of the goodness.
Ah.
That's okay. All right, so that's that first part. Now we're gonna add. Hold on, we're gonna add some food coloring. So this
Do you
is Alex's part.
Do you
Oh,
think there is in that to make?
Okay, Alex, your turn to
You're
add
gonna
that.
put the green in, but we're only gonna. Nope.
No.
You're gonna put the other thing. We're only gonna put a little bit in.
Okay. Little bit less. Ooh.
Little bit, little drops. Squeeze it a little. Not too much. Just squeeze it a little.
It's working.
No, bend it down and squeeze it.
Go, wait, one,
Oh.
go, two, three. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yes, yes. I knew it.
Yep, you're gonna stir it up.
Okay, I want
I got it.
to. Got it. Try to close
Look
it.
at that.
There's a lot of stuff there.
Wow. You guys were teasing me. You were teasing me.
We were not teasing you.
Yeah, you see you were.
This looks like peppermint, like green peppermint.
Okay. Now we got that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, so here we go.
Baking
But
soda.
make sure it's leveled off. So you gotta use your fingers and level it off.
Oh yes. Yeah,
I think this is good.
right.
This is good.
Okay, put it in.
Bye-bye.
We gotta put 1 teaspoon of the contact solution. Okay, so now we're gonna mix all of it. Mix it up.
Okay. Mix it.
Ooh, something's happening.
Yeah. Oh, it's turned into blue.
That's green.
It's becoming slime. Look at that.
Oh, gotta stir it up fast.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys.
Mommy,
faster.
I'm going to do this in a white thing.
In a minute. Gotta make it slimy first.
Oh, look.
Keep going. I think you can use your hands in this part. Just
We can.
put your hands in there. Maybe we should add a little bit more of baking soda.
Maybe.
Mommy, yeah, touch it.
Hold on. The baking soda. Get the teaspoon.
I want to do it.
Wait.
This
Stop.
Hold on, honey.
spoon.
Yeah, that was the spoon that we used.
Oh, look at that.
Turn it
But
slime.
we want it to be a really like good consistency. So you gotta keep stirring it up.
It's getting hard. Now you can start to hear it. Oh, my hands are tired.
I want
Oh,
to
pick,
do it.
pick it up completely. Like pick all of it up in your hands.
I want to do it.
Oh.
And then move it around. Should we add a little more baking soda?
Yep.
Okay, give me the
I got
spoon.
it.
Thank you.
I know how.
Okay, let me see first and I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna put in here. That way we can get the right amount, hopefully. And then here you go.
Okay.
Then dump it in.
Put it in.
Alright, Mikey.
Wait. Okay. Oh, look at this. It's starting to.
See, that's how we want, basically almost how we want it.
Yes.
So, like that. You gotta keep playing with it.
Now.
Fine,
It's
almost.
not sticking on anymore.
Huh?
It's not sticking on the.
Is it too hard though?
No, it's sort of soft, but look, it's not sticking that much.
Yep.
I want to do.
See, it's barely even sticking on
I
the.
want to do it.
Okay, wait.
Hold on. Look at that. Okay, now Alex, you're gonna let's put it down in the thing now. Let's put it in there.
Okay. For what?
It's hard to get it off your hands.
For what?
How?
We're gonna put it back in the bowl.
Okay, guys. So now we're having the slime balls, and we're
Let
gonna
me do it.
dump
Hold on.
not all of them, but most of them inside.
Well, we're gonna put some, but first we're gonna put some glitter.
Me.
So-
Me.
Not all of it though.
Not all of the glitter, okay? Just a little bit. Put it all over. Nope, that's good, that's good. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of glitter. All right, put your hands in the glitter in there and squish it all up.
Okay. Whoa.
Keep it in the plate though.
Okay.
Put it together.
Whoa.
Get all that in there.
Get all of it. Get
Put all
all
of
of it.
Whoa. So sticky.
Yeah, get your hands right in there.
Yep, and then still got glitter
Careful, careful.
in the bowl. It's okay. You still got glitter in the bowl.
See? You
Put it
see
to
all,
the-
you see all that?
Whoa.
Oh.
So
Get all
low.
that too. You gotta mix it all together.
Oh.
Mikey, help him a little. Can you put it in? Get that. Yep, the glitter that's in there.
That's on there.
It's in there.
Whoa.
Get it more. There's still more.
Okay.
Okay, now we both got our hands dirty.
Yeah.
Yep. Get all of the glitter in there. Put it all in the slime.
Whoa.
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 All right. Now, should we put some of the balls in there?
Are you ready, Alex?
Yeah.
All right. Put some.
What?
Whoa. Ah!
Hold on. Let's get it on the table. Put it in the bowl first. Put it over here.
Yeah, take all of them off. Take it off. Put it on the. Oh, geez.
All right. All right. Get the ball. Wait. Put it
My
in.
hand. My hand.
Put the slime in the bowl.
Put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Come on, hurry up.
All right. Put the slime in the bowl. Then we can put the other things in there. Stuck. Oh my god. Wow. That is really sticky. You look like a frog. It was between your fingers, like you had web.
Okay, let go. It's all over my hand.
Oh, so that's how we do, guys.
But we're gonna put the slime ball things in there.
I want to do it.
Okay, I got it.
Well done. Let your brother do that part. Cause you put in the. Okay.
Whoa.
Wait, more. Put a little more. All right. Now you gotta mix that up.
Okay, come on, Alex. Let's go.
Oh, you can hear it.
Okay, guys, listen.
Hold on. Don't make no sounds.
Listen.
Stuck in you.
Ugh. Oh, look at that, guys. This is amazing.
Dough.
Oh.
Sticky dough.
A sticky dough.
You guys should try this for yourself.
Sticky doughy.
Now that we know how to do it, it took a little time, but I like the crackling sound. Like,
Look, just listen.
Alex.
Just listen to go into your fingers.
It worked. We made slime.
Ooh, slime. Can I put some?
No, you're gonna ruin it. All right.
Woo.
And that's how you make slime. Do you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it
That's how
took,
you get it stuck on your
Let
fingers.
me do it.
it took a fail, but
Careful, 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 careful. We got a special guest right here.
And we're going to cook it.
His name is Grand Supreme.
And it looks
Give it to-
like a brain.
give it to Daddy to see. Let him see it.
The glue looks like a brain.
There you go.
And that's the slime. Whoa.
It's my new necklace.
No, you missed.
All right, guys. So
Whoa.
thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. If you want us, no, don't put it around your neck. If you guys want us to do, if you guys want us to do more videos of slime or different kinds of slime, let us know. You guys want to say something to them? Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And you like this picture of slime, click that subscribe button to know where I don't know.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye.
Look like a military boy.